Let's do some exercises and practice division by 10.
All set and ready.
Divide by 10. 60 by 10. When a number is divided by 10, the quotient is the digits other than the ones place, and the remainder is the digit in the ones place. So, the quotient is the digit other than the ones place, that is 6. And the remainder is the number in the ones place, that is 0. That's better. $137 by 10.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for grade 4 math.